It's July 1st, and you know what that means. It's Jolly in July. That's a month full of crafting that my friend Lauren of Garden Girl Studio and I are bringing to you. We have 4 weeks of crafting fun all set for you, and we're going to start each Monday off with a preview of what is coming during the week, and then after this Monday, a recap of what we did the week before. Whether you are into sewing or embroidery or paper craft or just looking for ideas for decorating and gift giving, this is an event that you're going to want to pay attention to. We'll be doing videos here on our respective YouTube channels, plus we each have a vlog over on our website. Links to all that good stuff are in the description below. We'll be sharing with you some fun free printables, as well as some projects and products that you can purchase. We're hoping to help you get a head start on all that fun holiday crafting. This week on Jolly in July, we have 4 fun projects for you to do. Tomorrow, Lauren over at Garden Girl Studio is going to be making a reversible holiday banner. It is so cute. She'll walk you through step by step where you can sew this just adorable reversible that you can use for both the winter holidays and also for birthdays or other celebrations. I'll be here on Wednesday doing a paper crafting tutorial where we're going to make these adorable little gift tags using a cutting machine like a Cricut or a Silhouette. On Thursday, Lauren is back on her channel, Garden Girl Studio, with an embroidery project using the stick and stitch technique. And I will be wrapping up the week on Friday with this wooden tag ornament. I think a lot of my projects are going to be using bells. I love bells. Links for all of the fun are in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications of when new videos come out. And also be sure to hop on over to Lauren's channel so that you can subscribe to her channel and see her projects as well. Both of us have information over on our websites, and we'll be sending out to our mailing list. Again, links in the description below. I'll see you again on Wednesday. Bye.